Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech with Machines. Today we are diving into the world of one of the SQL window functions, RowNumber. This is widely used in data analysis reporting, and yes, it is one of the most common questions asked in data engineering interviews. Specifically, if you are giving an interview for a data analyst or a data engineer, this question is generally asked where you will have to use one of the window functions. And in certain scenarios, RowNumber is the most common window function being used. So today you will learn how RowNumber works, and this will help you to stand out in those interviews where usage of RowNumber is actually being asked. So we are going to talk about what RowNumber is, and also we will walk through an example so that it helps us to understand it better. So let's get started. So what is RowNumber all about? Firstly, it is a window function that assigns a unique sequential integer to rows within a result set. For example, if you have an employee table and you want to rank them by their age, RowNumber will assign a sequential integer to rows based on the age order. So basically it works on the ordering of rows in each partition. For example, here we are talking about employees ordered by age. We can also talk about employees within each department ordered by age, right? So we can rank the rows according to some criteria. It is extremely useful when you need to rank or list items within groups or categories. So now we'll go with a very basic example where we will try to rank employees within their department, maybe by their salary. Let's break it down with a typical example. Suppose you are given an employees table with 3 columns: employee ID, department, and salary. You are supposed to rank employees based on their salary, but you have to make sure that the ranking is done within each department. This is generally a very basic question which tests your ability to work with RowNumber and partitions in SQL. So let's first see the structure of the employee table. If I run this query, you can see that there is an employee ID and there are 2 departments, IT and HR, and we have salary of each employee being given. Now to solve this, we'll use RowNumber function with the partition by clause. Generally, if you see, this is the syntax followed in a window function where we use over, and we can do the partition by, or we are doing just a simple order by. So if you run this, you will see that the RowNumber is going to rank employees within each department and give them a sequential integer. So once we run this, let's run this, and we will see that employee ID 4 is having the highest salary in HR department, followed by employee ID 2. Same is true for IT department, where employee ID 3 has the highest salary, followed by employee ID 5 and 1. There could be a subsequent question on top of it, where you just want to fetch the highest paid employee in each department. In that case, you will use this as a nested query with a simple select, where the RowNumber could be just equal to 1. So this is how RowNumber actually is helping us to rank the employees from their highest to lowest salary in each department. It's a simple yet powerful tool that helps you rank and sort data in complex ways, especially when you are dealing with partitions like classes, categories, or departments. This function is, as I mentioned earlier, is often used in SQL interviews, so mastering it can give you a real edge. In the next video, we'll explore another window function which is called rank. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a like if it helped you, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.